Starting a trucking business with just one truck might sound simple, but there's actually a lot to it. You've got to juggle a bunch of tasks, from paperwork to planning routes. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you in an easy way. First up, we need to chat about the golden ticket, your operating authority. It's like your business's permission slip. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or as we like to call them, FMCSA, is the big boss here. Getting this authority involves some forms and fees, stuff that can get a little overwhelming. Instead of going it alone, check out Moving Authority for some expert help. Before you even hit the road, you'll also need to make your business official. That means registering your trucking company as an LLC or corporation, getting your EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS, and applying for your US DOT number. These steps help keep your business legal and separate from your personal finances, which is super important if you ever run into liability or tax issues down the line. Next, let's talk about the star of the show, your truck. Deciding whether to buy new or used depends on your budget. If you're buying a used truck, do a deep dive into its history. You wouldn't want to pick one that breaks down in the middle of nowhere, right? Once you've got your truck, insurance is the next thing on the list. It's like putting a safety net under your business. While it might seem like just another expense, think of it as protection against the unpredictable. So make sure you find coverage that suits your needs. All right, on to the fun stuff. Finding loads. This can feel like a treasure hunt. You've got your truck ready and you're itching to hit the road, but you need cargo. There are load boards online that work like matchmaking sites for truckers, or build relationships directly with shippers. The more options you have, the less time your truck spends parked. Talking money is important too. Keep an eye on expenses like fuel, tolls, and maintenance. These little costs add up, and no one likes nasty surprises. Using apps and tools can help track where the money goes, so you're always in the know. One more thing before we wrap up. Don't forget about safety and compliance. It's not just about avoiding fines, it's about running a responsible business. Know the rules of the road and keep your truck in tip-top shape. And if details aren't your thing, Moving Authority can steer you through the complex stuff. So there you have it. A quick rundown on getting started in the trucking biz with just one truck. It's about finding the right balance between paperwork, planning, and of course driving. If all this sounds like a lot to handle, remember, Moving Authority has got your back. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. Stick with us for more tips and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on making your trucking dreams come true. Until next time, drive safe and keep on trucking.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.